banana weight, 4 ounce, the snap, and that bead saves the tip in your pole from that snap. Then you've got your leader, which is 30 inches long, 30-pound test, dodgers, my 2 favorite dodgers, chain swivels, prism tape, option, a lot of information here from that dodger to those hooks. The scent that I use, I mix them half and half. I use this to stuff in the belly of the plug cut herring. This is the line and test I use for this leader. 2-aught red hooks, prism tape, couple of dodgers here and there, some feathers for putting on your back hooks. This here is a medium 10.5 inch G Loomis. Costa. This is good. Got good price on this, boy. $500-600. Excellent rod. Excellent. It's outfished everything I've ever used or seen used about 4 to 1. My Shimano reel. Love the line counter. The best part about this reel, once again, it's not a cheap reel. It has the best drag you'll ever want on a fishing pole. I guarantee it. It's nice and smooth. It don't jerk. If you have a lightly hooked fish, you're likely to get it rather than losing it. Okay, here we go. This is my boat. It's a Minn Kota power drive. Excellent for back fishing off of rock piles and down things. And the inside's a little dirty. And we had a battery problem, so we're charging up the battery. This is my power winch for reeling up my pots. Excellent, works great. And then we have the boom. All right. And I'm having a little battery problem, and we are charging the battery. Our extinguisher. Plug cutter for plug cutting herring. With a Teflon base. Keeps the knife from getting dull. Bucket. Buckets are very necessary on this boat. Sometimes you gotta use them for pottying. Other than that, and lots of motor. My fancy chrome prop that's only good for speeding around the sound. I have to change it to another prop so I can troll with the boat. Cooler to keep my herring frozen. And this is a strap for my fishing pole. I lost a $1,000 setup last fall. Accidentally dropped it in the water into that one. So now I tie my pole off like a good little boy. This here's my sounder. Good sounder, good Garmin sounder. Those are my stubby little things for putting my cameras on to film in the boat. This is pots and lines for my pots, my pot fishing. I don't have my dip net in here, but yeah, that's very necessary. And this is just, you know, and my truck. Good old truck. 1 ton, big block, drinks a lot of gas. Pole holder. This here's my pole holder. It's about a 30-degree angle to the boat. I like to keep my pole at that angle and close to the water. Here's the plug and wrench for my boat. Don't forget to put the plug in. And I've never done that. Ha ha.